My name is Albert Zumaya. I'm a professor at the University of Sydney. I'm also the director for the Center for Distributed and High Performance Computing. I'm also, I do a lot of research, teaching in an area related to data centers and green computing, sustainable computing. I came today to speak specifically about one topic because, again, we do a lot of things in the center. But today I focus primarily on the new area called IoT, Internet of Things, and edge computing. So these are the two technologies that I kind of basically spoke about. I also served on a panel and also received questions related to this topic. I think this is, if I go about what excites me these days, this is definitely one area of interest to me because I see a lot of growth opportunities in Internet of Things as a driver for many applications. Also, we have seen a lot of new technological advances that's going to make IoT happen, going away from the vision to really implementations and also business models being created around the area of IoT. So I spoke about IoT, the opportunities, the applications that we're working on in the center, the university, as well as what's going to make it happen, and some of the key technologies behind edge, behind cloud, and behind IoT. Like the examples I given in the talk, we do a lot of applications because we see ourselves as solution providers or coming up with technological solutions to existing problems. So some of the examples I spoke about, were examples in agribusiness, in looking at, for example, solar cells and trying to find faults in solar cells or faulty solar cells to be replaced and so on. So for that, you also need to use. We deployed IoTs alongside, for example, drones, where pictures were collected and damaged, solar cells were basically or plates were basically found and replaced. We also spoke briefly about some of the applications we do in the area of IoT as well, but targeted towards smart homes, for example, in which you're looking at motion detection, especially when you have elderly people in these homes and trying to really identify their motion, whether they fell, where they are, what they're doing, and so on. And of course, there's a whole range of applications that could benefit from this technology, not only in smart homes. Another thing we spoke about, which is also very exciting for us, is really looking at smart energy. And looking at what to do with data from smart meters. How do you really incorporate IoT technology, edge computing technology with smart homes to collect data and make these smart homes operate in a much more efficient manner, by looking at deploying or looking at how or the mode of operation of different appliances, as well as the stress and the pressure they put on, for example, the grid where they draw the energy from and so on. So multiple applications, covering the areas of smart homes, smart health, smart agriculture, and of course, looking at also taking those applications and hopefully taking these solutions, extrapolating and looking at other application domains. So this is not my first time here. I mean, I enjoy this event immensely. Again, coming to this event, you have a chance of really getting out of what you're doing day to day and meeting people and looking at what other technologies are available as well and opportunities that one can take advantage of. In addition, you're meeting old friends and making new friends when you come to these type of events. And for me, like I said, the technology was an important driver. And coming here, you will see everything in one forum, in one place. So you'll feel, for example, exhibitors. You talk to people who are for example, application deployers and so on. And you would also look at new technology trends, and that can be beneficial to someone's work. So it's really very useful. It's a unique opportunity, very useful opportunity where you can come and find everything under the same roof.